Namaste everyone. In this video, we will learn about various parts of the tabla. The tabla is comprised of the two drums, the left hand drum, which is called baya, which literally means left in Hindi. This is a bass drum. And then there is the right hand drum, which is a smaller drum called tabla, and collectively they are called tabla. Let's take a closer look at the parts. This part is called the gajra. This part is called the kinar or the chati. The black part, which is made of special ink, is called syahi. The part between syahi and the kinar is called maidan. Then there are these straps which are called baddi, and then there are these wooden blocks which are called the guttas. The tabla is usually most always placed on rings like these which support the tabla. Thank you.